So the kind of videos that I like to make are pretty much documenting my life, more behind the camera. I don't really like to be in front of the camera. So every year I try to make a video of my son's progression just to document him growing up throughout the year. He really loves Spider-Man. As you can see here, he has a little skateboard and Spider-Man poster that was given to him by our exterminator. His room is full of all these Spider-Man toys. I wish we would get into Star Wars. Okay, but anyways, this year, I decided to make a video that was heavily influenced by the Marvel intro, or a couple of Marvel intros throughout the years. The first part of the intro that I made was based on the red overlay with the comic strips, kind of like swiping down as if you're going through the pages of a comic book, and you can hear the sound of the pages. You can hear the sound of the pages as if you were flipping through pages. So that's the first part of the intro. And then the next shot I really wanted to do because I thought that Marvel intro was really engaging. When I first saw that intro, I was already thinking, okay, they used 3D space. I could do this in After Effects. Let me try that. And so I took pictures of my son throughout the year dressed up in Marvel characters or just superheroes and used the Marvel intro as a reference for me to where to place certain pictures. So I first started out by cutting out photos that I took of him throughout the year in Photoshop, creating those elements, and then brought those elements into After Effects and placed them within the 3D space. And then essentially I have a 3D camera tracked to a null, and then I move the camera from the first image, which is supposed to be Iron Man, but he's dressed up with like an Iron Man mask, but then he's holding a Captain America shield. But anyways, I started with that image of him and have the camera move back slowly, revealing the other characters, and ending with him, of course, doing this because he's a really big Spider-Man fan. But yeah, after that clip, or after that shot, I go through just like fast clips of my son throughout the year, again, mainly dressed up as Spider-Man and just kind of doing his thing, just being a kid. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you. Originally, I used the Spider-Man theme by Michael Giacchino for the Tom Holland Spider-Man. And yeah, but I'm gonna have to use a different song for this one. So let me show you what I made.